Let's go. Action. So, ready to go to Disney World?
Yeah, I am. Let's get in the car.
All right.
I'm driving.
All right, let me open the door. I'm sorry, it's my diet. Let me try opening the door again. Girlfriend in the car.
I'm sorry, you were sleeping. But, yeah, let's get in the car. Shall we?
All right.
More playing around.
Get in. Let's shut the door.
Did you see that house blow up?
All right, never mind now. Let's go to Disneyland.
Let me start the car. Let me start it again.
Okay, you know, I think we better get out of the car.
Get the bike.
Let's just run. No,
Run.
let's just run. I can see it. I can see it. It almost makes me want to scream.
Are you sure you're male?
Just slipped out.
Okay, we're at the entrance. Can we get 2 tickets, please?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's go into Disneyland. Oh, it's a ride. I want to get on there.
Okay, let's wait in line.
You left your Jeopardy ringtone on.
I'm sorry. That's my girlfriend.
All right, we're there. All right, let's get up. Let's get in. 2 more houses just blew up.
I think that one is yours.
Never mind. I'll worry about that when we get off the ride. All right, let's wrap the bar down.
I'm sorry, I got gas.
All right.
It was the burritos you gave me.
All right, here it goes.
Shut up! It hasn't started. Okay, we're going over the mark and your toupee flew off. Oh my God! The tracks are missing.
Oh my God! It's gonna fall off. Buzz Lightyear, where'd you go? He saved us.
Let's go home.
Yeah, let's go home. Where's the car?
We didn't take it, remember? Let's get the bus. Or call for a taxi. How about that?
All right.
I'm sorry. I usually do this goodly.
That was my fault. Sorry. All right, let me yell.
Enough with your girlish screams here. Let me do it.
There's animal behind us.
Run!
It's still behind us.
Let's shoot it. Why did you fill mine with water again? Stop blowing up houses! Oh, I think my mother was in that one.
And see.